Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find this privacy protection section. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on special permissions, and here we have to localize the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And basically all we have to do is to find the app. So let me choose Chrome and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, immediately we will have this warning. And basically the whole point of that is to warn you that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on not cancel. Oh my god, not cancel. Okay, you will have to wait. Sorry, that was a total misclick. So you will have to mark the sentence and then tap on OK. As you can see, the switcher is active, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install the content. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. So just tap on it, tap on the switcher, mark the statement, tap on OK. And you can always remove previously granted permissions. So if you decide that you want to remove it totally, simply go back, in my case, to the Chrome and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see right now, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.